Not all solar panels are created equal. If you buy the wrong type for your house, your RV, or your business, you could end up wasting thousands of dollars or running out of power entirely. Today, we are breaking down the three main types of solar panels, the tech inside them, and exactly where they are used most. Let's get into it. First up, we have monocrystalline panels. Think of these as the high-end sports cars of the solar world. Fast, efficient, and sleek.
The tech behind them is all about purity. They are made from a single pure crystal of silicon. Manufacturers grow massive silicon cylinders and slice them into thin wafers, which is why these cells always have those distinct rounded corners. Visually, they have a uniform, incredibly sleek, dark black look. So, where are they used most? Their primary kingdom is residential rooftops with limited space. Because they boast the highest efficiency on the market, usually between 17 to 22%, homeowners use them to squeeze the absolute maximum electricity out of every square foot. You will also see them on high-end commercial buildings in urban areas. In cities where space is tight and grid electricity is expensive, the long-term performance-to-price ratio makes that higher upfront cost entirely worth it. Next, we have polycrystalline panels. If mono is a sports car, poly is your reliable pickup truck. It is cheaper, takes up a bit more room, but absolutely gets the job done. Instead of one pure crystal, manufacturers melt multiple silicon fragments together into a square mold. Because the crystals melt together randomly, the electrons have less freedom to move around. This makes them slightly less efficient, sitting around 15 to 17%. You can easily spot them because they have perfectly square edges and a distinct shimmering marbled blue color. Where are they used most? Large residential roofs on a budget. If a homeowner has a sprawling roof, they can buy more of these cheaper panels to make up for the lower efficiency. They are also heavily used in large-scale ground-mounted arrays and agricultural farms. Finally, let's look at thin-film solar panels, the flexible innovators of the industry. These skip the solid silicon wafers entirely. Instead, a layer of photovoltaic material is sprayed or deposited directly onto a flexible surface like glass, plastic, or metal. They have the lowest raw power efficiency, only about 10 to 13%, but they are completely smooth, solid black, and paper thin. So, where do you use a panel with lower efficiency? Surprisingly, utility-scale solar power plants. Just like how computers and phones suffer from thermal throttling when pushed to their limits, traditional silicon solar panels actually lose efficiency when they get too hot. Thin film panels have incredible thermal performance and handle extreme desert heat much better than crystalline panels. They are also the go-to for RVs, boats, and camping gear because they can be glued directly to curved roofs or folded up into a backpack. Plus, they are used in modern skyscrapers, tinted directly into the glass windows to turn an entire building facade into a power plant. So here is the final breakdown.
You have tight roof space, go mono. If you have a massive yard and a tight budget, look at poly. And if you are hitting the road in an RV or building a massive commercial project in the hot desert, look at thin film is your best bet.